Oh yeah, here it is. Alright everyone, you remember me drawing characters from Legends Arceus? Tonight we're going to draw a legendary Pokemon from the game. Tonight we're going to draw... Let's see, her name is Enamorus from Pokemon Legends Arceus. Enamorus is basically the fourth member of the gods from the Unova region, even though she's not exactly from the Unova region at all. Many of the other gods control other earth, air, and earth, air, and lightning. This one controls over nature, like spring. Drawing Enamorus is kind of easy. Well, easy for those who are experienced. Kind of like you guys, exactly. Alrighty then, and let's see what this guy has to offer here. We just draw the horns. Now, here's something interesting. Enamorus has lips. Alright, so here's Enamorus' ears. Now we draw the serpent. Here we draw her neck piece. We draw the heart pieces here. Now we draw the long snake. Stick it on the side of her head. Yeah?
Take off your headphone. What kind of math are you taking now in school?
We're not doing any math.
You're not doing any math. What
Right.
classes are you taking?
Economics and,
Economics,
social studies.
social studies.
Just 3 classes, that's it.
What's the third class? No idea?
No.
Think about it.
Alright.
Because he never gets home.
Here we have the rose-colored markings on her body. Now we draw the arms here. Now here's the cloud that she floats on. And finished. There she is. That's how you draw enamorus, the 4th god. Wow, she looks awesome. Anyway, did you guys enjoy this episode? I did. I enjoyed drawing him. Man, this reputation of drawing these legendary Pokemon from Legends Arceus is going well. I'm not going to stop until I draw them all. Anyway, that's how you draw enamorus. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. If you want to find out more on how to draw more characters like this, leave a comment below, and you can check out the other episodes as well. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time, and next time we're going to draw something bigger. Anyway, Stegosaurus, see you later.